Hello, and welcome to our FileMaker movie rating system. My name is Thea, and I'm going to be walking through a demonstration of our database. My partner Raphael and I, we decided to do a movie rating system. So we created 3 tables here in FileMaker, one for a movie, one for users, and one for the rating. So rating creates the relationship between movie and users with a composite key of movie ID and user ID. And yeah, so just getting into the tutorial of our layouts. So first here we have user information. So under select user, we have a list of all of the users that we currently have in our system. So let's say I want to see Fiona Garcia. I would click her and then click search. And here I can see her user ID, her first name, her surname, and her email, and then her full name and ID together. And then switching over to the ratings tab here, we can see all the ratings that Fiona has made. So she has 6 movies rated, her score here, and then the date that she made them. So now let's add a user. So I'm going to add myself. So putting in some of my info here, if I were to submit without all the information in, we get a error message here. So let's retry, making sure that everything is entered via Wilton, and then tcwilton at uwaterloo.ca. Perfect. And then click submit. And now you should be able to see me with a unique user ID, 58, right here. And then let's click search. Now I don't have any ratings, not yet, but my info should all be here. And it is perfect. So now let's switch over to the movie search layout. So on this layout, we have all of the movies that are currently in our database, and based on one that you click, you can watch the trailer here. So I have never seen, let's say, Whiplash. So I could click Whiplash here, and then now we have the YouTube trailer right here that we could watch right in the database. But let's say we wanted to add a new movie. So I recently watched A Complete Unknown, the new Bob Dylan movie. So I want to add that to our database because it's not currently in here. A Complete Unknown. And the same thing, that if I were to submit without filling everything in, we would get an error message. And it was released in 2024. The genre is drama. The duration is 140 minutes, and it was directed by James Mangold. And now submit. So now we should be able to see it right here. And we can watch the trailer for it here. Now let's look over at movie rating. So we have a popover menu here with 2 options. So let's say we wanted to look at the average rating per genre in a graph. We can see that horror has the best average rating as of the genres in our system, with musicals having the least. And then let's go back. And then back over to movie rating, we could go, let's see, say we want to look at the rating list. So clicking here, we can see every single rating that's in our system. So we currently have 69, but this doesn't do us very good. So instead, I'm going to click sort, and now I can see based on the average rating. So this is a summary field here for the rating table, and we have it in order of least to best rating. So La La Land in last, and then Pride and Prejudice has the best rating, average rating. And let's say I want to add a review. Again here, add review. I'm going to do myself. And let's rate Sinners. I watched this the other day. Yay! It was okay. I'd give it a 3. And my rating is today. I can make it today. And perfect. So now submit. And then I'm just going to click this just to repopulate it. And perfect. You can see my rating right here, which changed the average for sinners. And just to quickly go over our scripts in our database. So we have the movie scripts, add movie, cancel new movie if you don't want to add it anymore. So this makes sure that you don't get a new file just by opening up the add movie prompt here. And then the same with user scripts, or sorry, user and rating. And then these are to go to different layouts. So we have these two here, and then this page, and then also the graph page. And then user search, sort movies here. And then this is also for the graph when you switch the sorts, just to make sure that you can go back to see it by genre. And that concludes the demonstration of our database. Thank you very much for listening. And yeah, thank you. Bye now.